Namaste. Hearty welcome to the first online event on Vilasini Natyam official Instagram and FB page. In this Navaratri festival, we showcase a combination of dance videos performed by different artists. One segment in this event consists of dances which have been taught in our recently established online courses. The other segment consists of dances previously taught through non-virtual classes. In both segments, only such compositions figure which are rarely performed in present times or which were first introduced on stage by me when I founded Vilasini Natyam way back in the years 94-95. In consonance with the ongoing Devi Navaratri season, we have included a few rare compositions relating to the lore of goddess Parvati. As the opening item of Vilasini Natyam's official FB page festival, it is only appropriate that we start with a short Vilasini Natyam presentation. This will be a Vinayaka Prarthana performed by K. Vipanchi. She has been taught Bharatanatyam by Kanaka Sudhakar and Vilasini Natyam's northern tradition by me. Vipanchi has also received Delhi government scholarship for Vilasini Natyam. Vinayaka Prarthana was a simple temple prayer which was earlier performed with basic movements and expressions by my Devadasi Guru Srimati Madhula Lakshminarayana during her days as a temple dancer in Vishveshwara Agraharam in East Godavari district. She taught it to me in that way. With her permission, I adapted it for stage presentation, adding small jatis drawn from the corpus of Vilasini Natyam and choreographing it with more nritta elements, presenting Vinayaka Prarthana in the northern style of Vilasini Natyam by K. Vipanchi.
विघ्न विनाशकरा विनायक विघ्न विनाशकरा विनायक विघ्न विनाशकरा विनायक विघ्न विनाशकरा.
Being a multi-stylist myself in dance, I enjoy teaching dancers of different stylistic backgrounds. Featured now is Christina Prakanthan, a gifted Bharatanatyam dancer and teacher based in Australia. She has been groomed in Bharatanatyam by senior practitioner, academician, dance scholar and performer Srimati Lakshmi Ramaswamy of Chennai. Christina is presently availing the online courses, which is a part of our resource extension program. Recently, she learnt a rare bhakti composition in our Vistirna course. It is a Kirtana by Cheyur Chengalvaraya Shastri, a Telugu Vagyakara of Madurai and the composer of Shri Sundareshwara Vilasamu, a Telugu opera depicting the meeting, love and marriage of Meenakshi and Sundareshwara. I have been dancing to this composer's works for over 2 decades. I have taught the dance interpretation of this particular kriti to Christina Prakanthan after I performed it once a few years ago during a Navaratri festival. She is only the second person after me to do this piece and possibly the first to present it in Bharatanatyam. The poet addresses Devi saying, "No matter how much I reach out to you, why do you neglect my pleas, O Kamakshi? What makes you so stubborn, O Queen of Kanchi? Perhaps you are lost in thoughts about your Lord Ekamreshwara, seeking to regain Shiva as your husband. Even in your present manifestation, you performed intense penance, bearing the extreme heat and smoke of Panchagni amidst which you stood. And in the middle of that mango grove at Mangadu, you prayed for Shiva as your consort once again. Now that you are manifest as our mother goddess, Kamakshi, have you got so lost in nostalgia for those past days that you pay no heed to our pleas now? Is it fair, O mother? Are you not concerned about the conflicts and problems being faced by your devotees? Are you not our savior?" asks the poet-composer of Devi. This specially recorded Kirtana of Cheyur Chengalvaraya Shastri is in the voice of the gifted Carnatic vocalist Shri K. Venkateshwaran of Delhi. Presenting Christina Prakanthan in Enta Vedina Gani, set in Darbaru Ragam, Mr. Chaputadu.
ಎಂತ ವೇಡಿನ ಗಾನಿ ಸುಲ್ತೈನ ದಯರದು ಇಂತ ಪರ ಕೇಳನೆ ಎಂತ ವೇಡಿನ ಗಾನಿ ಸುಲ್ತೈನ ದಯರದು ಪಾಲಿತು ಕಾಮ್ರಪತಿ ಸತಿ ಈ ವೇಳ ವಿಲ್ತಗ ಸೂಚಿತೆ ನಾದಗು ಚಿಲ್ತದೀರ್ಚವರಲೆವರು ದೂರತ ವೇದನ ವಿಗವೇ ನಿಗಮಾಂತವಾಸಿನಿ ಸತತ ಮುನೆ ವೇಡಿನ ಗನಿ ವಿಂತಗ ಸೂಚಿತ ನಾದಗು ಚಿಲ್ತದೀರ್ಚವರಲೆವರು ದೂರತ ವೇದನ ವಿಗವೇ ನಿಗಮಾಂತವಾಸಿನಿ ಸತತ ಮುನೆ ವೇಡಿನ ಗನಿ ವಿಂತಗ ಸೂಚಿತೆ ನಾದಗು ಚಿಲ್ತದೀರ್ಚವರಲೆವರು ದೂರತ ವೇದನ ವಿಗವೇ ನಿಗಮಾಂತವಾಸಿನಿ ಸತತ ಮುನೆ ವೇಡಿನ ಗನಿ ವಿಂತಗ ಸೂಚಿತೆ ನಾದಗು ಚಿಲ್ತದೀರ್ಚವರಲೆವರು ದೂರತ ವೇದನ ವಿಗವೇ ನಿಗಮಾಂತವಾಸಿನಿ ಸತತ ಮುನೆ ವೇಡಿನ ಗನಿ ಸುಲ್ತೈನ ದಯರರು ಇಂದ ಪರ ಕೇಲನೆ ಕಾಮಾಕ್ಷಿ ಮಗನಿ ಕೋರಿಲ ಮಾಮಿಡಿ ತೋಟಲೋ ತಗಿನ ಪಂಚಾಗ್ನಿ ಮಧ್ಯಮುನಲ್ದು వెలుగొల్దు సెగలందు తపము చేసి మగని కోరిల మామిడి తోటలో తగిన పంచాగ్ని మధ్యమునదు వెలుగొల్దు సెగలడు తపము చేసి மகனே கோரில மாமிடி தோட்டலோ தகின பஞ்சக்னி ಮಧ್ಯಮುನಲ್ದು ವೆಲುಗೊಂದು ಸೆಗಲಂದು ತಪಮು చేసిన ಮಗನೇ ಕೋರಿಲ ಮಾಮಿಡಿ ತೋಟಲೋ ತಗಿನ ಪಂಚಗ್ನಿ ಮಧ್ಯಮುನಲ್ದು ವೆಲುಗೊಂದು ಸೆಗಲಂದು ತಪಮು చేసిన చిరుతనాటి సొగసుదలచిమై సొకెనేమో సెగలందు తపము చేసిన చిరుతనాటి సొగసుదలచిమై సొకెనేమో గద జగతిలో జనియించు ప్రాణులన గడుబడి సేయుటలు నెమ్మది కగబడెనో ఏమో శ్రీ చెంగల్వ రాయ ప్రియకరి జగతిలో జనియించు ప్రాణులన గడుబడి సేయుటలు నెమ్మది కగబడెనో ఏమో శ్రీ చెంగల్వరాయ ప్రియకరి వేడిన గని ಸುಳ್ತೈನ ದಯರದು ಇಂದ ಪರಗೆಲನೆ ಕಾಮಾಕ್ಷೇಯತ ಬೇಡಿನ ಗನಿ ಸುಳ್ತೈನ ದಯರದು ಇಂದ ಪರಗೆಲನೆ ಕಾಮಾಕ್ಷೇಯತ ಬೇಡಿನ ಗನಿ ಸುಳ್ತೈನ ದಯರದು ಇಂತ ಪರಗೆಲನೆ ಕಾಮಾಕ್ಷೇಯತ ಬೇಡಿನ ಗನಿ ಸುಳ್ತೈನ ದಯರದು ಇಂತ ಪರಗೆಲನೆ ಕಾಮಾಕ್ಷಿ ಕಾಮಾಕ್ಷಿ ಕಾ